Welcome back to the Indian weather forecast. This is the national weather forecast for the next 24 hours that commencing from morning of 3rd March. First weather features the western disturbance which commenced over upper reaches of Jammu and Kashmir, causing scattered rainfall and snowfall over Gilgit-Baltistan, Aliabad, Shimshal and Kurpe. The rainfall and snowfall activity will gradually extend to central and southern parts. This is a feeble western disturbance, so heavy rainfall and snowfall cannot be expected. Fairly widespread rainfall and snowfall will occur over northwest and central regions of Jammu and Kashmir. The active western disturbance which will commence from 6th of March afternoon. So we will definitely keep updating you about that upcoming weather scenario in our future videos. The induced cyclonic circulation which was there over Pakistan and adjoining areas, it will slightly move eastwards and will reach northwestern parts of Rajasthan. So due to this, rainfall activity cannot be expected, but gradual increasing of the temperature over many parts of Rajasthan and even over Gujarat, Haryana and Delhi regions. So this is due to the impact of this cyclonic circulation. The anticyclone which will move towards East Madhya Pradesh and adjoining to the North Chhattisgarh and Odisha region, which was there earlier over the parts of Rajasthan and adjoining areas. So due to this, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, North Chhattisgarh and parts of West Bengal will experience cool and dry weather conditions. The convergence of the winds which extended from Kerala region up to Assam and adjoining region through coastal and North Karnataka, Telangana and adjoining to the Vidarbha region, and even extended further over Odisha, West Bengal, Bangladesh and Assam. A cyclonic circulation also marked over Bangladesh and adjoining areas. So this will cause some scattered rainfall over Manipur and Nagaland. So due to the convergence of the winds, southern parts of West Bengal will also receive scattered rainfall, or these areas may witness cloudy weather conditions. The northern parts of Kerala will also receive scattered rainfall, and maybe the rainfall activity is only confined to the hilly regions. The increased temperature can also be seen over central and northern parts of Karnataka, Marathwada, Vidarbha, Telangana and Chhattisgarh regions, and slightly decreased temperature can also be seen over northwestern parts of Odisha. This is due to the presence of the anticyclone over East Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas. Good rainfall ahead over South India. We will definitely keep updating you about that upcoming weather scenario in our future videos. The anticyclone which is over South Andhra Pradesh and adjoining to the North Tamil Nadu and South Karnataka regions, so no significant weather activity is expected. Generally sunny and clear weather conditions will continue over these regions. During the next 24 hours, the maximum temperature will record over Shanti Mogero and Shahapur with 39 degrees Celsius, and minimum temperature will record over Mairang with 9 degrees Celsius. During the last 24 hours, light to moderate rainfall precipitated over Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Assam. Scattered rainfall precipitated over parts of Nepal, eastern parts of Meghalaya and Nagaland. So coming to the forecast, light to moderate rainfall expected over northwestern parts of Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. Scattered rainfall expected over central regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Nagaland, Manipur, southern parts of West Bengal and northern parts of Kerala. So that's all for now. Keep watching the Indian weather forecast for further updates.